Okay, today is the day that I cook, Sundays mostly. So Lupita's gonna teach me how to make ribs with a Mexican marinade. Look at them. Oh, it's St. Louis. Okay, but I'm gonna need a little help. She's my cameraman today. So we start with, what is this?
Es cebolla en polvo.
Cebolla, so that's onion. We give it a sprinkle, she says.
Suficiente.
Okay, suficiente, enough. And then a little bit of
Pepper.
pimienta negra, which is black pepper. See?
Sí.
Okay. She's having a fit because I'm putting on too much, but I like pepper. And then we're gonna put on some garlic powder. Ooh, my favorito. Mucho.
Ajá, así.
Mucho.
Está bien.
Esto
Ahora el
bien.
otro.
Esto bien.
Ok.
Más.
Ajá.
Más. Woo! Look at
Ya,
that.
suficiente.
Sufficiente, maybe a little more. A little más. I missed some. Just a little more. Okay. Okay, and then we got some steak and burger seasoning. How's this work? Okay, so we're a grinder. Grinding. It's slow as hell.
Ok.
Okay?
Sí. Now salt.
Now salt.
Sal de Colima.
Colima. Salt from Colima.
Saludos a Colima.
Woo!
Ok.
It's not good for my heart. So I won't put too much salt. Too much salt.
Ok.
Okay, maybe a little more.
Ahora,
Alright, now.
con tus manos. With your hands.
Oh, I need gloves.
Sí, ahí hay guantes.
Okay. Usually only wear these when I'm changing the oil in my pickup truck. But we'll do it for cooking too. I got sweaty hands, what can I say? Guess that's why she's making me put on my gloves. Okay, now we press it in. Spread it around, press it in.
Así. Así.
Así?
Así. Sóbalo. Así.
Circle,
Así, eso.
in circles, she
Ajá,
says. Okay.
círculos. Ahora,
Who is-
voltealo. Voltealo.
Who is the grill master here? Oh, yeah, see? Okay. Abuelo, whatever that. I think I was supposed to cut some of this off. Yeah, we better take some of this crap off. Put it there. That's what I seen on YouTube. Okay. Now. You got sucio gloves. Okay, you do it.
Te voy a ayudar. Garlic.
I'll be the
No,
rubber.
Onion.
I'll be the rubber
Pimienta.
gloves. Okay.
Open this.
What is this?
Laurel.
Laurel. What's that in English?
Así. No sé, la verdad. No sé cómo se dirá en inglés.
Let me read. I think it's bay leaves.
Orange.
Orange? Oh, not
Uh-huh.
orange. What about the, no?
No, only this.
No salt? No salt?
Sí, sal, sí.
Okay.
Un poco más de sal.
Okay, we'll rub it in.
es mandarina, naranja, limón, amarillo.
See, and in English, it's lemon, oranges, and lime. Okay. Okay, one lime. Look at how many we got. Whoa! Squirted everywhere. And some more orange. Look at all that juice in here. Okay. Freaking lemons. Is it lemon or orange?
Orange.
Naranja?
Orange.
Naranja. Oranges. They don't fit in my little thing, so I have to go like this. My arthritic hands. Oh! More orange. More orange.
Stop.
Okay, it's Barry's kitchen today. And this is my kitchen. Fantastic.